How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm coming to you today with a mail call and finish it up in February update. And first of all, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, new subscribers. Thank y'all. All right, let's start this off. Let's see. First of all, yesterday I got a shop card in the mail and a model in the mail from old Jeff at 48 Jethro 79. There you go. There's his card. And I'm going to leave a link in the description below of everybody I tell here. You know, go check them out. But if y'all ain't subscribed to Jeff, please go check him out. And that's his actual car. That's his 48 Ford. And that thing is beautiful. It's got a nice patina on it. The white walls. That's an awesome car. Thank you for the kind words, Jeff, and thank you for the model. Jeff sent me this right here. Awesome kit. Thank you, brother. And y'all really need to subscribe to him. He does some awesome builds. Old school builds too. Okay. And the second person, I got a package in the mail today. And everybody knows Keith right here and that's Keith's Models and RCs over in Ireland. My little buddy over in Ireland. And y'all need to subscribe to him if you're not subscribed to him. And he sent me this. And thank you for the kind words, brother. And you're in our prayers, your family. We're sorry for your loss. And then here, I don't know, it's been a while. It's been probably a year ago or so. I had sent Keith out some, I sent him out a model and some resin stuff that I casted, and I just sent it out and just to send it to him and everything. And he wasn't having that. He insisted on sending me something, and so I was like, all right, you know, and he wound up sending me 3 kits, so this is what I got. Let me show you. And I really love these kits too, so thank you, Keith. I really appreciate it. First one he sent me was this 132 scale, because he knows I love my 132. I got a lot of 132 scales. I got Airfix, MPC, Matchbox. I love 132 scale cars. There's something different, and you can put a lot of detail in them little things, and I just love to do it. And he sent me one of these, and I'm so glad he did, because after seeing Russell's build of this, Russell did an awesome job. He also built the Jaguar too. But I've been wanting to build one of these. Thank you very much, Keith. And when I build it, it'll look just like that. It'll be the Gulf, because Russell did the green version. Is a different racing team, so to be different, I'll just do the box art when I do build it. And thank you very much, Keith. And then he also sent me, he knows that I own MGs in real life. I got an MG BGT and I got 2 MG midgets. So he also sent me this. He sent me an MGB by Aoshima. And I got a bunch of these kits, and I always love to have more. I resin cast the MG BGT body, so I can build this one like this, or I can build an MG BGT. I got the engine resin cast. I got the whole engine bay resin cast for this kit. So whether I leave it like this or however I do it, it's going to have engine detail. And then he also sent me, it's the Italy, which is this is actually a Protar kit, but they got the molds for it now. And he sent me this Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider 1300. And if y'all remember, Doug Hensley had sent me one of these, and the one Doug sent me is a curbside. Doesn't have, it's a Swift kit, is what they call it, and it's the actual Protar kit, and it doesn't have engine detail. This one that Keith sent me has engine detail, as you can see right here. So it's got the doors open and everything open on it. So what I'm going to wind up doing to this is I'll probably resin cast that engine out of this. That way, the one Doug sent me, I can put an engine in it. And two, I need an extra Alpha engine anyway, because there's a couple of Goon Sanyo kits out there that I'd like to build, and they need the engines in them, and they don't come with the engines. So, but guys, I really appreciate it. Jeff, Keith, thank you very much. I can't thank you enough. I appreciate it, guys. And with that being said, I'm going to turn this camera around, and then I'm going to show you what I've gotten done for the Finish It Up in February. Thank you. And that's also hosted by Tim and Charlie Mack. Sorry about that, guys. All right. This is my Finish It Up in February update. This was my Chevelle wagon, 1965 Chevelle wagon that I had started and put it away for the reasons I've already said. You know, the hood messed up and everything. I just threw it in the box, lost interest. But this build is this group build is hosted by Tim at Throttle Power and old Charlie Mack. So I'm going to leave the description for them below, and y'all go check them out. But all right, let me move this and show you what I've gotten done so far. Alright, this engine is a 6-cylinder, and I resin cast it from the original 64 Chevelle wagon. The original 64 Chevelle wagon come with the optional 6-cylinder or the V8, and so that's the 6-cylinder I cast from it. And I've wired it up, I've oiled it up like it's got oil on it and stuff. There you can see here, I might already just take it off that and get it in here closer so that you can see. I don't know if you can see it very good, but I put the wire going from fuel pump to carburetor. I got it wired up. That's really all I got to say about that. I mean, you know, there's the wheels with the black wash. Here's the underneath, kind of dirtied up, scuffed up, and you can see where I've done one pipe there, and the other one I was originally going to just try to cut it out, and that wasn't going to work. So I was like, you know what, screw it, just pretend it's not there. I didn't paint it, so it's not there. Y'all can't see that. Whatever you do, you cannot see that. Just remember, do not look at it. But with that being said, that's what I got done there. And then here's what I've done on the interior. I put some carpet in it, and I just did that little black wash around all the lines and stuff just to dirty it up, just to kind of give it a worn look to it. There's the dash. Can't see that very good. There's lighting in here is not the best, but there's the dash. That's really about all I've gotten done there. And I think I'm going to do the blue glass in it. Here's the firewall, which is nothing special. That's really about it. You know, I haven't chrome foiled this yet. I still got a chrome, and my taillights were missing. I could not find taillights. I don't know what happened to them. So I just put the clear glue in there, and yes, it needs to focus here. I don't know if you can see that, the clear glue, and then once I paint them red over it, should look alright, and I'll just do the chrome around it. It'll be alright. Hell, it ain't going no car shows. And if y'all remember, this is the reason why I threw it in the box. The hood, when I painted it, that's what it did. I guess because it's got the outline where you can cut out for the hood scoop or the engine sticking out of the hood. For whatever reason, that paint years ago when I painted that did that, and that's why I threw it back in the box. But I'm not fixing it. I don't care. This is Finish It Up in February. This ain't going to no car show, so I'll make it look alright, and it'll just sit in my case or in one of my cabinets or whatever, and it is what it is. You know, you guys, y'all have models like that. It is what it is. You're just glad to get through it, and this is one of them. But you know, years ago I did this kit, and I did the racing version, and round 2 had a model contest, nationwide model contest, and I built it white, and I put the red stripes on it and all the decals on it, and the steel wheels, and then I think I put torque thrust wheels on the front and the blue glass and everything. Well, I got second place, and they got my model now, and it's set somewhere where their headquarter things is at. And every once in a while it pops up in their little magazines or whatever, their little catalog, and I got a catalog around here somewhere, and it shows that it's sitting in a case. If I can find that thing, I'll show it to you. But I don't remember what I did with it. But next time I do a video on this, I'll find that catalog and I'll show that to you. I might even try to dig out a picture of it somewhere. But alright guys, please check out everybody I was talking about. Keith, Jeff, Tim, Charlie Mack, Russell. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Till the next update.